Good morning. Very interesting subject, and the judgment should be gone through by all criminal lawyers, public prosecutors, and aspiring candidates in law field. It's most important judgment deeply discuss the various aspects. How 173.8 further investigation 386B while disposing appeal whether the court has got power to order for re-investigation, not further investigation. Then they also said once the case was tried and convicted, later acquitted, so by re-investigation there is possibility of double jeopardy. All these aspects have been discussed in judgment. This is AR 2025 Supreme Court 237, AR 2025 Supreme Court 237, P. Manigandan, Central Bureau of Investigation. The case was kidnapping the child and murdering the child. Then he was convicted. Division bench confirmation of death sentence. Then the case was ended and acquitted, but however the High Court directed for further investigation. So for further investigation, whether the court has got power under 386 class B. All these have been discussed 300 CRPC and 22 of the Constitution, and thereafter a very important thing is they have also discussed 71 Indian Penal Code provision. Go through that again. 71 under General Classes Act. How conviction should be given when the multi allegations are there. Section 26 of the General Classes Act and 71 of the Indian Penal Code. Then 40 of Evidence Act, previous judgment relevant to bar second suit or trial. So that is section 40 of Evidence Act was also been discussed. So many other judgment, and finally the Supreme Court acquitted the set aside the judgment of the High Court ordering for reinvestigation. But according to me, this should be an extraordinary subject which has to be placed before Law Commission and parliamentarian who are actually knows law, so that this area should be understood as to what will be your answer to the society when grave and offences ending on acquittal for lapse of investigation. Training hostile is something different. Absolutely circumstantial evidence is lack is it is being tainted and fabricated, planted. Then there must be some. The wording re-investigation would not have been occurred. It would have been the further investigation. Then the matter would be different, I think. Whatever it may be, very fantastic judgment. This judgment, KK Money for petitioner appeared. Okay. Thank you. So go through the entirety of judgment. Go through. Very fantastic judgment. That too from our bench. Best wishes.